In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download KineMaster. First, let's begin by opening the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad. On your device's home screen, look for the App Store icon. This icon typically looks like a blue background with a white letter A made from a paintbrush and pencil. Tapping on this icon will take you to a world of applications. Here, you can explore countless options to enhance your device. If you are using an Android device instead, you will be looking for the Google Play Store. This icon usually appears as a colorful triangle on a white background. Once you find it, go ahead and tap to open it. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for accessing KineMaster, which is a powerful video editing tool. Next, once the App Store or Google Play Store is open, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. In this search bar, type KineMaster Video Editor. Make sure to check the spelling as it helps to ensure accurate search results. As you type, you will likely see suggestions pop up below the search bar. This feature helps you quickly find the app you need. Once you have entered the name, tap on the search button. This step matters because it helps you find the exact app you want without wasting time scrolling through unrelated applications. After hitting search, you will see a list of apps. KineMaster will be among the top results. On an iPhone or iPad, you will see a button that says Get. If you are on an Android device, you will see an Install button instead. Go ahead and tap on the appropriate button. If you are on iPhone or iPad, you might need to confirm your download with your Apple ID or Face ID. On Android, you may need to accept some permissions that the app requires. This step is essential because it starts the actual download and installation process for KineMaster. Now, you will need to wait a moment for the app to download and install. During this time, you may see a progress indicator or a spinning wheel. This visual feedback lets you know that the app is being downloaded. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Patience is important here, as a successful installation ensures that you can start editing videos seamlessly. Once the download is complete, you will see an Open button appear where the Get or Install button was. Tap on Open to launch KineMaster. The app icon should also now appear on your home screen. This means you are just moments away from accessing its powerful editing features. Opening the app is an exciting step as it brings you into the world of video editing. At this point, you will be prompted to sign in with your existing KineMaster account if you have one. If not, don't worry, you can easily create a new account right from this screen. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to get started. KineMaster offers a free version that provides ample features for basic editing. However, there are optional in-app purchases for premium features should you decide to enhance your editing capabilities later. This is important because having an account lets you save your projects and access them across devices. Now that you are signed in or have created a new account, you are ready to start editing videos. KineMaster is a powerful tool that allows for professional-level video editing right from your device. Take some time to explore its features and interface. You will find options for adding effects, transitions, and much more. Enjoy your editing journey with KineMaster, knowing that you have taken the right steps to get started effectively.